Hello guys, let's make Lumpiang Shanghai, my own version. See, crunchy Kaishan. So here are the main ingredients. We got carrots, cabbages, onions, garlic, ground beef, green onions, and lumpia wrapper. So let's begin by adding our ingredients. Let's saute the garlic, onions, and the green onions. Mix them well. And you can also add olive oil. Mix inside. So mix them well, then add the beef. But you can add a different kind of meat if you like, pork or chicken, whatever you want, guys. Up to you. Then next, you can add your seasonings, your oyster sauce, soy sauce. And then mix them until well combined. You can add your salt and pepper to taste. You can season them according to your preference. Mix them and cover it and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until the meat is cooked. And transfer it into a bowl and let it cool down and combine the beef, the cabbages, and the carrots. And then mix them all together until they're well combined. So now let's begin wrapping the meat in a lumpia wrapper. So what we need is the extra green onions, water, and of course the lumpia wrapper and the meat, which I cook first before I wrap it in a lumpia wrapper. Alright, so let's prepare the lumpia wrappers. Then let's add some meat into it. I prefer adding some green onions, then wrap it, fold it, and then seal it with water. And that's it. So just continue wrapping the lumpia. So as you can see, it takes forever to make lumpias. And finally, for the last step is to pan fry your lumpia. Since the meat of the lumpia is already cooked inside, you can just pan fry them until golden brown. Okay, so just flip them from time to time until it turns golden brown for 2 to 3 minutes. And there you go, it's almost ready to be devoured. But wait till it cools down. Alright, so here's our lumpia. Thanks for watching and enjoy.